Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Statistics Made Easy. My name is Aishwarya and we will be learning today how you can separate out this name and surname from this column into two different columns. Like in first column I want all the names and in second column I want all the surnames. Okay. So here I have taken these examples: Meena Sharma, Deepti Chauhan, Manish Chaudhary and Varun Anand. Okay. Now you may be thinking that within this one click we will do this. We will go to the data tab and we will just go to text columns and you'll add a delimiter as space. Why space? Because Meena and Sharma, these two different entities, they are separated by space. So we'll add space as my delimiter. But I have also explained the use cases also in my last video. In my last video, we have studied about left, right, trim, search, and find functions. And also, whenever you have been assigned one task, okay, you have assigned one task, like you have the Google Forms, it may be related to your project or at your workplace. People are filling your Google Forms, and this Google Form is connected to your Google Sheet. Okay, so you want to automate it in such a way that whoever is filling that Google Form, their names should get separated out. Now, if somebody filled the Google Form, their name appeared in that first column. You want to do in such a way that that particular record, it appeared in your, now suppose Meena Sharma. Meena Sharma filled the form, her name appeared here. What you want to do is you want Meena in one column, you want Sharma in another column. You want to do that. So this is one use case. We will study about this in today's video. Okay. So before this, I just want to give one hot trick. What is a hot trick? Always find the position of the delimiter. Always find that position of that delimiter. Okay. And then you will play around with this. Okay. Now, when you find the position of the delimiter, before the delimiter, you want to extract that particular characters, and after that delimiter, you want to extract the characters. Right. Now, let's begin. Meena Sharma. Meena Sharma, they are separated by space. So now what I told is, what is a hot trick? You need to find the position. You need to find the position of the space. How will you find? Using search. Search space. What I did is find text. Always look at the arguments. Find text within text. Okay. Start number. It's optional. Start number. It always begin from the beginning only. Search. Find text. I want to find the delimiter of space. So what I did is just in inverted commas space. From where? From where? From Meena Sharma. Okay. So what it is telling that at 6 position space is present. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 space is present. Now before that space, you want to extract the characters, right? Before the space, all the names are present. You want all the names. So before that space, you want to extract all the characters. And yes, names are present in the left side. So you will use left function. Left Meena Sharma. And how many characters you want? 6. Now it came, right? But guys, one problem. What's the problem? If you check the length of this, sorry, you check the length of this, Meena, it's 6. But ideally, if you check Meena 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Meena contains only 5 characters, but why is it giving 6? Because of that extra space. That space position we have also mentioned. But so to eliminate that space, what we will do? We'll just minus 1. Why minus 1? To eliminate that space. Minus 1. Now, the length is pi. Got it, guys? Very simple. One hot trick you need to follow is that first find the position of that delimiter. If the delimiter could be anything, it is now here, it is space. In the next example, which I am going to explain, it could be a hyphen. Yes, in the last video I have explained that whenever in schools or colleges you may be having the data of roll numbers and with the delimiter has hyphen and the student's name. So here the hyphen is here the delimiter is hyphen, right? So always find the position of that delimiter. Now suppose I will just add. Now suppose 24 is the roll number and student's name is Akash. Now check here. Always the hot trick is always find the position of the delimiter. Delimiter is how to find the position? Search delimiter enclosed within the inverted commas hyphen. From where? From here in this text. Okay. So delimiter is position at the third position. What do you want to do? Now if you check Left, you want the roll numbers, right? You want the roll numbers in one column and names in the other column. So left, we do this and 3. Oh, now it's giving 24 and hyphen also, but we don't want hyphen. So what we do is we do -1. Simple.